Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in your Nissan Armada. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC system. It's usually marked with an L. Finally, turn on your car's air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest setting. Now, let's connect the refrigerant. Take your refrigerant can with the charging hose and attach the quick connect fitting to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Before you start, give the refrigerant can a gentle shake. This helps mix the contents for an even flow. Keep the can upright as you prepare to add the coolant. With the can connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Squeeze the trigger on the charging hose in short, controlled bursts, typically for 10 to 15 seconds at a time. Between bursts, check the pressure gauge. You want the needle to be within the green zone, indicating a safe and effective fill. Overfilling can cause serious damage to your AC compressor, so be careful. Once the pressure gauge shows the correct level, quickly disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure service port. Now, test your AC system. Feel the air coming from your vents. It should be noticeably colder. If your air conditioning is still not performing as expected, or if you notice any unusual noises, it's best to have a qualified mechanic inspect the system for potential leaks or other issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.